Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at these Curt adapter rails for your fifth wheel hitch on your Chevy, GMC, and Ford towing prep packages. This is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2011 and newer Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks with the factory fifth wheel towing prep package, and also the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 and 3500 heavy duty trucks with the factory fifth wheel towing prep package. Now, on a custom fit part like this, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now, this is a custom base that's specifically designed to attach to the receivers in your Ford or Chevy GMC factory installed underbed fifth wheel prep package. Once this part is installed, this base provides the industry standard base rails that will accept most fifth wheel fixed legs hitches and fifth wheel slider hitches. You can see on these cross tubes the slots in it. These slots are what will accept the tabs on your fifth wheel hitch. So once this is dropped into your truck bed, your fifth wheel hitch will drop right into these slots. Now, this does use the quarter turn anchoring system for quick installation and removal. Basically, what you'll do to install this is pop this lynch clip right over here, rotate your handles 90 degrees or a quarter of a turn, and then what that does is rotate the tabs at the bottom here. You'll do the same on this side. So once they're all four open like this, then you'll just drop this into your factory pucks that are in your factory system. Once it drops into place, rotate these handles back a quarter of a turn, and that rotates the tabs to lock it into your system. And all you have to do is take your pin, slide it through both handles, clip it, and that holds it into place. And again, you'll do the same like that on this side. These anchors here that the handles are attached to, you can take these cotter pins out, and then you can actually adjust them. They're adjustable anchors. Helps eliminate any chucking between the legs and the underbed platform. If you notice the parts here, they're protected by a nice highly durable carbide black powder coat finish. So we mentioned the application is Ford and Chevy GMC trucks with the factory installed underbed towing prep package. Weight capacity on this part is 25,000 pounds gross towing weight capacity, 6,250 pounds vertical load capacity. You do want to make sure that the capacity will always be limited to the lowest rated towing component in your system. I want to give you a few measurements on this. The overall width from this end to this end is going to be right at 36 inches wide. The length from the widest point to the widest point is right at 24 3/4 inches long. And once this is installed, the height from your truck bed to the very top is about 3.5 inches tall. Now, when you get this, you do have to put it together. It does give you a nice set of installation instructions, and it tells you how to build it for either the GM or the Ford application. Right now, we've built it for the GM application. So what happens is you want to make sure that you use these holes that are in the cross tubes. You use the third and the fifth hole from each end. And then what you'll do is make sure these handles face outside of the bed. So when you open it, they'll go to the outside of the bed. Now, when you do put this together for the Ford application, it is different. These cross supports will actually move out. They'll actually install on the first and third holes from the end of these tubes. And then the handles, you actually reverse it. The handles will face the center of the bed when they open. So a little bit difference between the GM and the Ford application. But again, it'll describe it in the instructions here. But that should do it for the review on the Curt adapter rails for the fifth wheel hitch on your Chevy, GMC, and Ford towing prep packages.